Only swallow that motherfucker. It's just a joke. You can swallow, nigga, swallow that shit. Are you serious? Go ahead, nigga.
Juan, you got this. Just keep eating, baby.
M4 Loco. Dipping the sandwich, M4 Loco. This is epic, y'all.
That's all you want.
I don't know what we're seeing this.
Yo,
these guys are struggling.
Who's winning right now?
These guys are struggling. Who is winning?
This guy?
This guy is smart. He's using the water.
Yo, he's got a winner.
He said he's getting Kobayashi over here.
Oh boy. Yo, that guy is doing pretty well right there. That wearing the glasses. Yo, that's the guy. Hey, take it home, man. Trojan Diva! This guy can't beat anyone. Oh boy. It's that last quarter that really does it to you. That last quarter. You're losing. The guy to the right of you is going to beat you. Hey, let me get a Togo's chant. Togos. Dude, this guy's gonna win. The guy with the glasses? The one on the other side. Actually, the one across from him is pretty close. Yeah, the one next to Juan is pretty good. Yo, this guy's not doing too bad right here. Yo, pick it up, Daddy. Go ahead. My bed's on you, dude. Eat it! Eat it down now! Yeah, homie! We almost got a winner! We
It's looking like a three-man race. Three-man race. Okay, you gotta finish the whole thing. You gotta finish the whole thing. You got it. Three-man race.
Look how much left. Got this. Killing it over here.
Got this.
Hold it in.
You gotta finish it. You gotta finish it. You gotta finish it.
Watch it. Watch it.
Let's go. Come back over here. We got the TOGO's challenge. We got in 309.2.
Get it in there.
Ted won by about 0.5 seconds. That was serious. That was serious.
You gotta learn how to do it. We got a good contestant right here. I finished.
I respect you. What happened to you boys? We need to talk to the boys over there.
They're bitches, dude. We need to talk to them.
Hey, we're here with the winner right now.
The winner?
How's the winner feeling right now?
You know, I'm used to it. I used to win at everything. All I do is win, no matter what. So,
why do you think you won? Was it because the sandwich was so good?
I love the sandwich. I would eat TOGO's every day, and I will with that gift card. TOGO's is the best.
Beautiful.
Love it.
Hey, and you're gonna tell the whole frat?
Yeah, the whole beta fraternity is gonna eat at TOGO's from now on. So I just won. That's at least 80 guys.
We have something for you, Ted.
What do you got?
Hey, Mike. Give him his reward. Give me the rest. Hey, Timon, give him his reward.
I get that.
Thanks for competing.
Let's go to my room.
Mike, I'll just take your out.
You still got it on, Ted? I've got to present you.
Hey, we're gonna present Ted.
Can he say to breathe? Let me get some of that drink.
Oh, we don't know what that is that he's drinking, but.
Ryan, what does he get it? Honestly, you got it right. You got it right.
Here comes.
I was really hungry though.
Alright. So, like I said,
Look at that happy customer.
we got the winner right here, Ted, at 309.2. We won it in about 0.5 seconds.
Run her up. Run her up.
It was a battle. It was a battle. It's second place. But we got a $25 gift card to TOGO's, Ted. Congratulations on the win.
TOGO's. TOGO's.
Yeah, there it is.
Eat that. Eat it. It's verbatim. Everyone's gonna eat it.
This guy was a close second. Hey, let's get some wristbands going.
Get some wristbands.
Look at that wristband.
What a
TOGO's
wristband.
at UFC. Hey, give them to all the
We
contestants.
got a little consolation prize for everybody who battled in it. Get you another. Yeah, Ted.
Alright.
We have to bring them back.
I never won any contest in my life.
Hey, that's it. This guy can't
But
get enough of it.
TOGO's.